Okay, we're back at it. Like I said, keeping the car clean is the most important thing that you can do. That's the best tip is keeping it clean. Now this is the RAV4. If you have watched my video before, I'm responsible for cleaning Scat Pack, Dodge Challenger, 4Runner, TRD Pro, and this is the RAV4. I absolutely love cleaning the RAV4. It's just simple, it's easy. It's the same color as the Underground, the same color as the 4Runner, and I really like the dark gray. Underground is the color, but I really like the darker gray because it's not black or it's not white, and at the same time, it's just easy to clean. Even if you miss a spot, you won't really notice. But keeping your car clean on a weekly basis is the most important thing that you can do. There's so much debris, bird poop, rocks. There's just so many things that just hit your car, spills, and just all that little nasty stuff that is like grid. And if you keep it off your car, your car will shine a lot more. You'll feel more comfortable driving it, and it just feels good to be in a clean, nice car. This car wash, $3. $3. You can't go wrong. Absolutely $3. It's really simple. I never ever use that brush. I use the clean your car soap, rinse it off. Then there's a protective coat, and then there's spot free. So this is me cleaning the RAV4. It's one of my favorite easy cars to clean. And I do the same thing for the Dodge Challenger and the 4Runner. So all you need to do, if you can, rinse off your car and keep it clean. And it's also a good exercise because you're stretching, you're holding things, you're bending down, you're wiping things, whatever it is. It's a little way of getting out. And of course, your car would appreciate it. It would last longer. And most people are attracted to nice cars. So keep your car clean. All right, I think I've said enough, but I just wanted to share. Hey, I'm back at the car wash. This is like my third car wash in a week. Two different cars. And guess what? I think I'm going to go to a car show today. So I might need to wash the other car. The 4Runner? Okay, you might see a 4Runner video after this. Who knows? Anyway, well, thank you for watching. I hope your car is clean. And that means inside. If you have a lot of junk, debris, if your car is hoarding all your business, take it inside. Get a big old box, put everything in the box, and take it in your house. Leave your car clean. The only thing you need in your car is gas.